Monday.com versus FunctionFox, which works best for creatives. Today, we're diving into the features, pros, and cons of two popular project management tools for creatives, Monday.com and FunctionFox. Let's get into it. Both tools cater to teams with a creative focus, but each has its strengths and weaknesses. Monday.com is known for its flexibility and wide array of features, offering customizable workflows that can fit almost any team structure. But while it's highly adaptable, this can also be its downfall. Sometimes the interface can feel overwhelming with so many options. For creatives, simplicity often matters more, and Monday.com might demand a bit too much setup before you're fully up and running. Next thing, let's talk about FunctionFox. This tool is specifically designed for creative professionals, including designers, agencies, and marketing teams. It focuses on time tracking, project management, and budgeting, which makes it a strong contender for creatives who need to stay on top of client projects and deadlines. But FunctionFox isn't as feature-rich as Monday.com when it comes to customization or integrations with other software. This can be a drawback for teams that need to connect multiple tools and workflows seamlessly. The third thing to consider is user experience. Monday.com offers a slick, visually engaging interface with color-coded boards, timelines, and a drag-and-drop feature for easy task management. It's a solid choice for teams that value a visually driven interface. However, that visual appeal can also be distracting at times, especially if you're more of a minimalist and prefer a simpler design. FunctionFox, on the other hand, keeps things straightforward. The layout is less flashy, which may be a plus if you prefer simplicity over style. But this simplicity can also mean that it feels a bit basic in terms of visual appeal, especially if you're accustomed to Monday.com's vibrant look. So, while FunctionFox gets straight to the point, it doesn't offer the same user-friendly design that might inspire your creative side. Next up, integrations. Monday.com shines here, offering integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. For creatives who rely on multiple apps, Monday.com is a clear winner in terms of connecting all your workflows into one streamlined system. FunctionFox, though, has fewer integrations. For some creative teams, this might not be a deal breaker, but for others, it can make things more cumbersome. The fifth thing, cost. Monday.com offers various pricing tiers, which can quickly add up, especially if you want to unlock all the advanced features. For smaller teams or freelancers, this could become an expensive option. FunctionFox, while more affordable, does have a less flexible pricing structure. It's great for small creative teams, but might not scale as easily as Monday.com if your needs grow. Now, the real question, which is better for creatives? Monday.com's versatility and ability to scale might be the perfect fit for larger teams with complex workflows, while FunctionFox's focus on time tracking and budgeting is great for smaller teams or individuals focused on managing client projects and tracking billable hours. But after trying both myself, I have to say there's a better alternative for managing creative workflows more efficiently. If you're looking for something that combines simplicity with flexibility, I highly recommend trying out the software linked in the description. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. This software brings the best of both worlds, offering powerful tools without the overwhelm, making it ideal for creative teams looking for an all-in-one solution. Check it out via the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.